yes. Right wheel, march.
Right wheel.
Five platoon. First platoon, make ready.
Second platoon.
Make ready.
Don't be afraid to.
Got it.
And then return to
To the shoulder. Come to the shoulder. Second platoon. Make ready! Aim!
Private load, boys.
Hey, militia, open up.
I couldn't tell you where the mic's going. We'll stay here. Hold on, where'd he go? Stay with him, because I got to... You want to go? No, he got me. Okay. Second platoon, right flank. Forward march. High on the zone.
Hold there. I want a line. Single line right there. Single line, boys. Give me the line.
I'm going to move to Larry.
Single line.
Hunter, right there.
Cornwallis! Cornwallis to wheel!
Slide this way a little bit. Keep it up, keep it up, boys.
Withdraw! Right about face! Left on fleet! Right about face!
Left on flank, left on flank.
On me! Right here! Turn and fire! Turn and fire! Turn and fire! Single line! Skirmish line! Imminent skirmish lines!
Jack, second.
No, independent fire. Independent fire. Independent fire.
Independent.
Independent.
I'll fire when you fire, Larry. Go ahead, Sean. Good job. You okay? Yeah.
All right, independent fire, lads. Keep it up. Keep it up.
You're good.
You're representing the rifle.
Good shot. Cock the nipple. If you hold up there, it's going to be above his head.
Hunter.
Tuck in tight on us when you fire.
Yeah. Keep it up.
When you get closer, good. Hold it up on you. Go ahead.
Keep it up, lads. Keep it up. Prime and load until you're told to stop. Fire!
Keep it up, lads. Keep it up. Target the cannoneers. Watch how much you're putting in the tank. I'm going right for Garver. You went off. You just didn't have a full tank. Coming up on you. Go ahead.
Turn into them, boys! Turn in! Mark your targets well!
sorry, man. Coming up on you. Something with this flashbang. All right, come up behind you, Larry. It's getting hot.
First platoon! Boy, skirmish line to the right. First platoon on you.
Good shot. Coming up. Go ahead.
Stop, that's good.
All right, we're having fun now.
Cannon on you. Extend it. Okay. Second platoon. Form skirmish line.
Come on the other side. You're going all the way down.
Hunter, stop. Hunter, right here.
Back to the captain.
Right there. Turn and fire when it's safe.
Right here. Slide up.
Independent fire. Point into him. Watch your muzzle. Point into him, man.
Keep it up, boys. Keep pouring it in. Falling.
Down! Point into him, boy. Come on, give it to him. Give it to him. Keep up your fire! Keep it up, lads! Keep it up! Where's it been hit?
Target the cannon! They coming!